Hey, we have made it. Oh, I dropped my phone. Made it to our first stop. Got to get something to eat. And then we headed to somewhere fun. She doesn't know. That's why she's sitting there looking.
We took 1,000 stops already on the way here.
What's up, Blake? She ready to get out. You ready to get out?
It was a 5-hour drive.
Tell Daddy King, hey, he hadn't been on all day. Yeah, we are the passenger princesses, so. You about to get out. Chill out. We're looking up this new place, Seafood and Wings, Swamp Kings. Sounds good.
And Daddy on the phone looking like shrimp and seafood. And I'm like, you can't have that.
You got fish in there? All right.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever feel me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair up, it's me I feel. You find me ugly and one day you disappear. Also put a crack in what was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a waiter. Good boy's a waiter. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me.
Whatever you see in the box, what the people say.
Okay, so we're back. I'm getting away, but I'm gonna let my mom show me this dance to entertain y'all.
Oh, look at that.
Got two.
Y'all been open?
We've been open since 2019,
Oh, really?
2020, around that time. We've been here for a minute though, so.
Okay. It's cute. Alright, we headed to the slushy bar for the kids. Slushy bar over here.
He say that I'm good enough, tell him I think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like
TV in the booth.
That's what I wanted to think you for.
I know, that's cool, huh?
Maybe the people will watch. Well, that's it.
No, you can't change it. You have to just watch whatever they have on the TV.
Oh, man. Stop barking me, little barking bird. No.
In this spot.
Yeah.
You over painted and stuff, they decorated it good.
Oh, yeah.
Like them black citizens.
Something like this at home.
Yeah, seafood.
What you want? You want fries? It's coming. Okay. That's okay. Thank you so much. All right.
Is that ours?
Yes, it is. Big.
Okay.
Color. I gave you more straws. We just pushing it.
I want to push mine.
Go ahead.
Ooh, I get to push it. 3,
Gotta push it hard and fast.
2,
Just don't
1.
let it. There you go. You can Blake.
You wanted her color straw, Daddy?
Here, you want that straw in there?
Good.
Crack.
I knew you was gonna like green out.
Here, put your straw in there.
Take yours, bro.
It's really good.
The straw's so big, like a. What
Like
is
a
it?
what?
Shut up.
It tastes a little bit like a back.
They gonna choke.
Yeah, it's too much.
You so hard, they gonna choke.
Blake can't suck out that straw.
Well, fine then. No drink.
It makes you shame everywhere we go. Talking to the people, howling for our food. Oh, here we are. Thank you.
Our pleasure. And then the sauce. Would you like some plates?
Yes, that'll be perfect.
White plate.
She has fish nuggets with fries. Raylan has chicken nuggets
This
with
tastes like
fries.
McDonald's chicken nuggets.
I think they're probably better than that, baby. What you got, baby?
Chicken
whole
wings
thing?
and
Oh,
fries.
that's chicken wings.
And there's some ranch.
Thank you so much. And I'm missing my daiquiri.
One deck, which flavor?
I had all of them mixed.
All of them? Okay.
Yes, thank you. Mama's drink. And here's my food. I got the Swamp King seafood rice, shrimp, crawfish, eggs, no
Man, he
fish.
blowing her back. Think about me cause he know that it's fact. Ain't it been what it been? Pulling his phone like yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Put boys away up, put boys away up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Put boys away up, put boys away up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, but you're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough,
Say something.
Here we come.
Gotta throw a party for my day ones.
I don't know how to quite pronounce that. We'll find out once we get inside.
Sesame.
Don't
That's what you think it is? What you say it is, Wilson? Seismique?
Gotta throw a party for
Seismique? I don't pick one. I'm gonna see what we got. It's close.
Rest in peace, the drama king. We was if I let my 21
I'm gonna say Seismique.
There's no sea, Mama.
Let's go see.
I think it's Sesame McQuay.
Isn't that cool? This is so cute. Come back, Blake. Blake, come back. No, ma'am, we haven't.
It sounds like there's a portal.
Okay, so get your wristbands from Daddy.
Okay, Daddy.
I'll put yours on this.
I got 2 basic phones to communicate with my friends. So, the one on the other, put the 2 on the other side. But I gotta communicate with my friend.
It doesn't matter how you put them.
Communicate with my friends. So,
Can you put mine on?
yeah, sure. First, I need to put all of my speaking contacts with my friends on the other one. You know, my friend that helped me speak in contact with them.
You want to dance, dance, dance? Dance. How do you hear that music?
Dance, dance, dance with my hands.
Don't hit her. Stop. Wait a minute. Cut it out. Let's go.
Let's go see these cats.
Let's go see. Ooh. What do you see? Oh. This is cool, huh? Well, looks like you're on a spaceship, doesn't it? Come back, come back, come back. Come this way. Let's go see what's this way.
But Dad, let's go over here.
Oh my goodness. Look at the bubbles, Blake. Blake.
We just
Oh.
finished up from our space exhibit and learning about space in school.
Oh, cool.
And now we're moving on to birds.
What is this? Oh, DJ tape. here in Houston. Gotta get us some good pictures in here too. Real cute. What's inside of there, Bray? Oh, it's a flower. This is cute. What a girl. This is cute. Hey. Wonder how far back it goes. Oh, Braylon, it sings. Braylon, it sings. Come see. See, y'all gotta try it out. Wanna hit it, Blake? Pick you up. Hit it. Hit the ball. Hit it. Isn't that cool? Whoa. Hot. Will mommy help you?
So you do a funny little pose or do something to change the whole camera.
Ah. Braylon's about to go in giant hammock. She has to take her shoes. Oh, you got your shoes on? Come back, Blake, because if you get lost, I cannot get in here. I'm telling you now. Wait, no. Wesley, come, they stuck. Wait, they stuck. Both stuck to her neck.
The what?
Blake, left hand.
No, dude. Crazy as shit. Hey, you better get out because I can't come get you. So this is the spaceship control. This is the spaceship control. Hit it. Make you hit. It scans your fingerprints. This is absolutely beautiful. Come on, Blake. Stop running, Bray, before she hurt herself.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm with one, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, you and me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me signs. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be. If I was you, take for granted, yeah. 'Cause with me, you could do damage. You could do damage. You
Blake. All you want to do is dance. This is cool. This is. Y'all been ran around the corner, don't know who waiting on y'all. This is cute. Hey. Go, Blake.
It's like he's trying to grab me.
come out at? Oh. Yeah, baby, because mommy couldn't get you.
Mommy, look. Look at this cave.
Oh, that's neat.
Okay, I bet there.
They right here, look.
They in this side. Wait, this is the music that you turned on in your previous video. Uh-huh.
That's cute.
Okay, that's fine. Look towards the camera. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Y'all have a good one.
You too.
Day 2. And we're headed off to Braylon's. Blake.
Headed off to where?
Braylon's surprise number 1 for today.
Surprise number 1.
What do you think it is? Hi, how are you? Call themselves surprising us. Oops. It was that. Gigi. I'm so sleepy. I put my whole makeup on backwards. I'm like, what is wrong with my mind? I put my contour on before I put my foundation on.
Your face don't look packy.
Then I sprayed my face. Then I had to go put my setting powder on.
Well, it ain't look white.
What
I
else?
need to put it on back.
Really?
I ain't working out here. Get on my nerves.
Oh, a big dog. Hey!
Hey, Gemma.
Says Blakely Cam.
I'm Gemma.
She fine.
Gemma.
Huh?
Hoi. Come, Gemma.
It's the
Hoi.
It's recording. Tell them when you going.
I'm going.
Like, you know that ain't no work.
Where you going?
I'm going.
You're not going to Glomar.
We got 3 of them. We got a big one, a medium, and a small.
We got the Southern flag here. Don't let it rain.
Hello, guess where I am, y'all? In Houston, Texas, hanging out with my grandchildren.
Tell them you can't walk.
They laughing because I can't walk, but you know what? Just tell them to live, right?
No, Daddy drive.
Driving, Mom, I can't do
We talk later. Tell them bye-bye.
Bye.
Say, see y'all later.
Hey. I think you like company back here.
I'm not about to be back here with you. I'm not. Ben left you. And Braylon back here. All I do is fight.
What is this place?
Read the blue sign on the building, Braylon.
Squash
Sign
Club.
ain't blue. Read that sign at the top on the yellow part.
Squash Club.
Yeah, Braylon.
You can park in a handicap, Wesley. We got the same.
It looks like we're at the Ninja Gym or something, but this does not look like the Ninja Kid. Wait, is that one the Ninja Kid? Hey, it's the Brayley Camp, and we're back, and so right now, we're going to surprise number 1. I don't know how many surprises we're doing, but I think tomorrow we're going to be going to the zoo, and then it's it's day 2, previously day 2. And so it's surprise number 1, and I didn't really know where we're going. So it's something about W sound. Okay, so bye.
Been dying to get here. She watches this on YouTube all the time, but I just left from in there, and 1-year-olds can't go. So if 1-year-olds can't go, we can't go. But I feel bad because it's her birthday trip. So I'm gonna let her go check it out, see if she wants to play.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee because
She's been dying to get. Let's see how far she can get down.
did you ever feel me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair up, there's me up there. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear.
People that be like training to do the courses and stuff.
You stand on it. Don't push it, step on it.
About 30 minutes. About 30.
Like at home.
I'm good enough. Don't think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Pulling his phone like you'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on.
Alright, so we made it to our second spot, Turkey Leg Hut. Got the whole crew. No line today, so must be our lucky day. Get Blake like I ran. You remember coming here for your other birthday trip? It was a long time ago. The line was long. It was playing music, it was dancing. Thank you. Ready to eat? What you want to eat? Have fish, have turkey legs, have chicken wings. Ready? Maybe she cuts up when she comes to the restaurant. She be wanting her food. Now what you seen that from? He coming back, baby. Sit down.
Hey, your granddaughter. Mark, I told you to go home and you go straight to your house.
Y'all want to stop talking. That's good for y'all.
Enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
The boys are way up. The boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. The boys are way up. The boys are way up.
Stop number 3. You're so excited to be with us, Glover. Whew. Came to golf at Tiger Woods' little spot. Looked over here and seen this space. And this is where they decided to go. Oh my Lord, please hold. Hello. Thank you. Somewhere else, change of plans. Stop number 5. They won't do that. So now we over here. What is Tiger Woods' house?
Yeah.
Jesus. You drop my baby here. Wesley?
You can't go up that way, can you?
I don't know. Look.
Mama.
Fixing her clothes. She digging like she a leprechaun looking for gold. Ain't nobody calling you. Locked.
Lock it.
I locked it, boss.
Oh no.
Whiskey cake. It's crazy because that place sounds so good.
What?
Whiskey cake kitchen.
Grilled
They
steak
probably
and
have
fish.
good food there.
Blake, come back. I just want some. I want some sweet.
Korean barbecue, man. I ain't never heard of that.
That might be good.
Yeah, I think that is good.
Oh, she got a milkshake.
They got a spot right here.
Oh, she got a milkshake. That's what I want.
Y'all to school.
You went to school?
Oh, the girl.
Hello. Thank you. Let's see. Told her she was 5 years old, so we get $15 pass. 5. They ain't gonna ask you, so don't say nothing.
Fine, I'll say 5.
Don't act like y'all don't do it. We're lying. Huh?
We probably said the size of it.
We don't need this. Come on, let's play. Let's go. Lakeland fell out to go back with Grandma, so here we are, the start of the course, and she's hitting it too hard. She thinks she's playing baseball. I want a milkshake, y'all, so bad.
I know why I messed you up. I'm gonna show you. You left hand. Turn the other one. Turn this one.
You gonna make it to work in the morning? Why? Don't make us influence you not to get your money.
I'm tired, bro. I can't do it.
Down there fighting over a ball. Y'all better move or your daddy hit you.
Get back.
Don't hit my baby.
Get back. Go over there.
What's she saying? Hey, don't get nobody else's ball. Stay over here. Here. Go hit. We'll knock that bastard over the fence. They won't let you hit. Ew.
Wait, get back.
She's looking for the ball. You better let me hit. With the break. Break her neck to make sure she don't get the ball. She'll low down cow now.
You don't need no other body. My body. You don't need no other body. My body. Only you feel on my body. My body. Only you feel on my body. My body. My body.
And Sheila.
Chocolate, come here. Oh, that girl makes me sick.
Let's go.
It's Todd. How you doing? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Alright, so we back in the room. Disgusting. Talking. Back in the room. Day is over. You worn out? You had a good day? Kids done left us. We going back out? Kid free. They ain't want nothing to do with us. Glamour and Gigi next door, so they went next door. So we kinda got a free night. I'm ready to go back on the town. Going back on the town. Okay, so we going back on the town. Just playing. I'm heating my leftovers up. And I got me a daiquiri. I call it a night. It's still good. All the alcohol is going to the bottom. Ooh, I overheated my little food. About to eat this turkey leg hunt. EJ told us about a good daiquiri spot on the way home, so I just had to stop. Called the Bill Cosby. So, ooh, Lord, I'm kind of scared of that one. And this must be the straws up here. Every restaurant we went to, that's my lipstick, and had these big old stupid straws. Like it just put too much in your mouth. Went to Swamp Kings. Where else we went? The place today when we were golfing had the milkshake straws. Had those straws. Everywhere we went, we done had those straws. Well, I'm about to eat my food. Call it a night. I just wanted to close it out. And we'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Hi, day 3. So we had a cute little zoo day planned. Just came from outside. The weather will not permit, so we have to figure something else out. Mind you, we all had cute zoo outfits, but got this from Target, Walmart, and old pair of slippers, but that won't happen today. The girls have zoo outfits on, but they're gonna have to keep those on because that's all I packed. Me on the other hand, I'm gonna have to go somewhere inside. I'm not wearing this inside, so I'll probably grab a shirt of Wesley's. Come here. Come here. I hadn't combed their hair yet. Look at my baby's outfit. I was ready for the zoo. Huh, mommy? You was ready for the zoo? Huh? Yeah. Come on, Bryce, show them your outfit. Pull it out. No, pull it out. Stretch it out. So they can see all the animals. My girl had the zoo animals on there.
Probably not going out to the
Turn
zoo.
the little girl on the elephant. Wasn't that cute? Birthday zoo dress. But we won't be going to the zoo. We thought about the aquarium, but part of that's outside too because they have rides here for their aquarium. So we're thinking about a plan C. So we still can go out and enjoy our day. I'll show you the view. You may not be able to see the rain from here, but all that mist and fog, yeah, that's rain. It's pouring down. So we'll keep y'all posted on what our look at the lightning on what our next move will be. What's that? What's that, mommy? What's that, brain?
I remember from 50, I could go back empty. I know I was stuck to the game. Loyal and I never change. I'm never gonna go against the grain. I'm never gonna be the one turn on my brother when police just gotta detain. I won't ever love a bitch more than my mother, and that's on my government name. I can't be no sucker, I ain't hating on no one. I wish everybody could pay. Cause we can't end up every day, getting hot talent in the grave.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give me nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, coding got me tripping. Cut the coupe,
that's a waterfall. That's not rain.
Waterfall.
Yeah.
Okay, me.
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not scared.
Lightning and thunder.
Not at all. I'm not scared.
What's wrong with you? Whoa. It's raining. Are you afraid?
Daddy, what's the kitty?
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid.
Okay, guys, quick question. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all real quick 3 questions.
Look here.
What's a frog's favorite music? If you guessed hip hop, you are correct. What do you get when you cross a cheetah with a cheeseburger? Fast food. If you guessed it. Here's the last one. Why is it so hard to catch flies in the jungle? If you guessed it, there are too many cheetahs, then you're correct. If you got all 3 of these correct, please subscribe.
Well, you don't want any subscribers because they probably didn't get them right. Should have asked if you laughed at any one of these. Subscribe. If you laughed at any one of these jokes, please subscribe.
If you laughed at any one of these, please subscribe. Okay, so if you were to have a pet, which pet would you have? I'll give you 10 seconds.
You didn't tell them where to answer it, Brenda. They don't know how to answer it. You should tell them that.
But if I were to get a pet, my favorite would be a parrot.
So this is what we've decided to do since we got rained out. I was thinking of something we can do where we can eat and play. I didn't want to do it like an arcade or a Dave & Buster's. So we brought them here. Still see the animals. They look real, if you ask me. And then let them eat. We need to get on the road too because the weather's real bad at this point. So after we finish eating, they have a gift shop. Let them get a toy. We're getting back on the road and hopefully we should be home before dark. That's the plans. We're about to sit here and enjoy our food and wrapping up our birthday trip for the birthday girl. You enjoyed your trip?
Yeah, I wish it wouldn't end.
What was your favorite part of your trip?
My favorite part would probably be this restaurant.
This is your favorite? Of your whole trip? Friday, Saturday, and Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday was like the best one for me because it's really interactive and they have a lot of things and it's so cool and I really like animals.
Okay. Well, there you have it. Today is her favorite day and this is the day that was unplanned.
My favorite part of the trip was Friday night.
You like Friday night?
Art museum.
You enjoyed it? Tell you enjoyed it. It was nice. Oh yeah, it was different. It was real different. We don't have anything like that back home, so that was nice.
My second favorite part was Saturday because remember when Grandma and Nikki came in that morning?
He surprised you? Yeah. You enjoyed that?
Daddy already knew.
Yeah, Daddy knew.
And then in the front desk, the lady said, do you want to go by next to the Kings? Because Daddy called the front desk and said they were coming.
What was your favorite part of the trip? What was your favorite part of the trip? That was your favorite part? Teach him how to vlog.
All right, Mom. Your turn. What was your favorite part of the trip?
My favorite part was yesterday. It was kind of spontaneous. We woke up yesterday morning. What did we do? What did we do yesterday morning? Oh, we took her to Kids Warrior. I don't think it was what she expected it to be. But after that, we went to turkey leg hunt. We got to eat. We rode downtown. We got to sightsee. And then we went to golf. That was real nice. That was different.
Pop stroke.
So, what pop stroke?
Yeah.
So Saturday was my favorite. Today is her favorite. And Friday was Daddy's favorite. I think Blakely just said she's eating a crayon. Eat the crayon. Don't eat the crayon. You hungry?
Say I'm hungry, so they need to bring my food. That's nasty, you eating wax.
Oh, I think this is our food. We'll be back. Daddy. Thank you. Oh, sure. Yeah. Maybe a cute little plate. A souvenir plate. Isn't that cute? Look at that, Daddy. That looks good. I should have got a burger. Mom got the red. Whistle. Thank you so much.
How old are you, We have a very special birthday in the house.
Whose birthday is it?
It's my friend Brayley. On the count of 3, we have a very special birthday song just for you. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday from all of us to you. We made you something special. We made it just for you. Hope you had a super fun and terrific day. So have a happy birthday.
Thank you.
Birthday.
Thank you. I forgot that was my birthday.
You forgot it was your birthday.
Yeah, and they were bringing it to somebody else.
It is so risky, I gotta be gifted. He blessed me with fortune and fame. I remember from 50, I could go back empty. I know I was stuck to the game. Loyal and I never change. I'm never gonna go against the grain. I'm never gonna be the one telling my brother when police got to detain. I